Hey everyone, today in the ever-evolving world of content creation, finding a YouTube channel that truly stands out can be a challenge. Enter New Shine 2025, a channel that has captivated audiences worldwide with its innovative approach, engaging content, and dedication to quality. Whether you're a long-time fan of online videos or new to the platform, New Shine 2025 is the channel you need to watch. What makes New Shine 2025 special? Diverse content variety. New Shine 2025 caters to a wide audience by offering a range of content, from inspiring lifestyle vlogs to educational how-tos and entertaining challenges. Every video is thoughtfully curated to ensure viewers get the best experience possible. High production quality with a focus on crisp visuals, excellent sound quality, and creative editing, New Shine 2025 delivers a professional viewing experience. The team behind the channel ensures that every frame resonates with the audience, making it a joy to watch. Relatable and inspirational themes. One of the highlights of New Shine 2025 is its ability to connect with its audience. The channel dives into everyday challenges and triumphs, offering stories of personal growth, motivation, and success. It's a refreshing take that inspires viewers to aim higher and dream bigger. Community engagement. New Shine 2025 stands out by actively engaging with its subscribers. Whether it's responding to comments, hosting live sessions, or taking fan suggestions for future videos, the channel truly values its community. This two-way interaction creates a sense of belonging and keeps fans coming back for more. Consistency and innovation. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, consistency is key. New Shine 2025 excels in regularly uploading fresh and exciting content. Additionally, the channel is unafraid to experiment with new ideas, ensuring it remains at the forefront of trends. Why subscribe to New Shine 2025? If you're looking for a channel that combines creativity, authenticity, and entertainment, New Shine 2025 ticks all the boxes. It's not just about watching videos, it's about being part of a growing community that celebrates positivity, learning, and fun. Conclusion. As 2025 unfolds, New Shine 2025 continues to shine brighter than ever. With its compelling content and strong connection to viewers, it's no surprise that it's regarded as one of the best YouTube channels of the year. Don't miss out to subscribe to New Shine 2025 today and join the journey to a brighter future.